How to log in 8-ball pool with Facebook. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to log in 8-ball pool with Facebook. Logging in 8-ball pool with Facebook is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the 8-ball pool app. Launch the 8-ball pool app on your Android or iOS device. Select the login option. If you are opening the app for the first time, you will see the option to log in with Facebook. Tap on Login with Facebook button. Grant permission. If prompt, you may need to allow the app to access your Facebook account. This includes permission for your profile, friend list, and any other necessary data. Review the permission and tap Continue or Allow. Enter your Facebook credential. If you are not already logged in Facebook on your device, you will be asked to enter your Facebook username and password. After entering your credential, tap on Login. Confirmation. Once you log in, the game should automatically connect your account and you will be taken to the main menu of 8-ball pool. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.